Hello. Today I'm going to add another section to our series on adverbs. Today I'm looking at adverbs beginning with the letter E. Easily. This means without difficulty or effort. It also has another usage. It can be used to express the idea of without doubt or by far. It can suggest that something is very likely to happen. For example, having had a number of lessons, she easily passed her driving test first time. This easily is the most useful reference book I have come across. I thoroughly recommend it to you and all your fellow students. My son finds it difficult to pay attention in class. He is so easily distracted. Elegantly. This adverb can take on different meanings. It can be used to suggest that we are doing something in a stylish manner or in a pleasingly clever and simple manner. For example, a plan or idea can be elegantly drawn up. When describing a person, elegantly refers to what they are wearing. A house can be simply and elegantly furnished, suggesting that it has been cleverly done. Energetically. We use this adverb to convey the idea that we are doing something with a lot of vitality, in a manner involving great activity. For example, the opposition party energetically opposed the government's intention to raise taxes. Enormously. We can use this adverb in place of the simple word very or really. For example, you have been enormously helpful to me. I am so grateful for the time you have spent supporting me. Her parents were enormously proud of her and threw a party afterwards to celebrate her exam success. Enormous denotes a large size. Enthusiastically. This adverb helps us show intense enjoyment and eagerness. Enthusiastically is a great adverb for describing anything you do cheerfully or with enthusiasm. The adjective enthusiastic originally meant possessed by a god, and it comes from the Greek word entheos, which means divinely inspired or possessed, combining the roots en, which means in, and theos, which means God. For example, when their team finally scored a goal in the last minute, the crowd of supporters cheered enthusiastically. They knew they would probably lose, but scoring meant that their team would at least have acquitted themselves nobly against the league champions. Equally. The term equal derives from mathematics. It means in amounts or parts that are the same in size. As an adverb, it can be used also to convey the sense of being in the same manner or to the same extent. For example, all students should be treated equally, regardless of age, family background or ethnic origin. In addition, we can use this adverb to express the idea of in addition and having the same importance. For example, this shrub can be found in the low-lying areas of Guatemala. Equally, several specimens have also been found on the slopes of the nearby volcano. In the following example, we can see that equally takes on the meaning of both. The politician is equally respected by young and old.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Don't forget to pass it on, place a like, and turn on your notifications.